In a momentous event at the Gate Roundabout, Agodi Gate, Ibadan, Osun State Governor Senator Ademola Adeleke has officially commissioned the 8.2-kilometer dualized Agodi Gate Odife Road, Adeleke And Engr Road, and Onipepeye underpass in Oyo State capital. During the commissioning ceremony, Governor Seyi Makinde of Oyo State emphasized the significance of the completed road project in expanding the state's economy. He reaffirmed the administration's commitment to sustainable development through strategic road projects, echoing the importance of economic growth.
As we continue to attract large, medium and small businesses into Oyo State, the pressure on our infrastructure increases. And then there's a need to upgrade them. This is why we have chosen to keep investing in infrastructural development. Our goal is to upgrade cities and towns in Oyo State to places that we can all be proud of. We do not want to leave any communities behind. So, if we had all the resources at our disposal, we will do more at a faster rate. As we all know, our wants and needs are infinite, but the resources to meet them are limited. We often have to prioritize and decide which projects will bring the best value to the good people of Oyo State.
Governor Adeleke, in his address before commissioning the road project, commended Governor Makinde for his visionary approach to economic expansion through substantial investments in infrastructure.
I am delighted to be present at this all-important occasion. This is one in series of achievements recorded by my own brother, the governor of Oyo State. The whole Western region reputed to be the leading zone in the areas of innovations, infrastructure, and good governance. We lost that rating for some time now. But I want to put it on record that the Southwest has regained the momentum. The Oyo State Governor is a trailblazer. Come on, give him a big round of applause.
Professor Daud Shogudoyin, the Commissioner for Works in Oyo State, expressed appreciation in his welcome address, commending Governor Makinde's dedication to economic expansion through aggressive investment in infrastructural development. He revealed that as the road project cost about 6.9 billion naira, highlighting Governor Makinde's unprecedented achievements of completing over 184 kilometers of road project.
The dualized road we are commissioning today was awarded October 26, 2022 for a duration of 1 year and at a sum of 6.9 billion. The road has been in existence since 1966. I was a witness to how we used the road from here to Ilefe. When the late Abu Yuri was killed, he has to be carried to the eastern part of Nigeria. Uses this road. Is an historic road. And due to the expansion of the city of Ibadan land and the creation of more local government in Ibadan land, we have to move this carried way to a dualized road.
The commissioning event attracted prominent dignitaries, including former governors of the Southwest